Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is Friday afternoon / evening. I just finished work and I just feel like I need to get some stuff done. I just made the bed, changed the sheets, and then went to put the clothes away, and I cannot fit anything in my cupboards because I have loads of crochet jumpers and cardigans and hats and everything. But I'm basically going to have a clear out and think, realistically, what am I going to be wearing? What do I want to be wearing? If I'm going to be making my own clothes, I kind of want to be prioritising wearing them, and then keep some essentials like just a cozy sweater, a cozy hoodie. I don't know, yeah. So that's the vibe we're going for today. So I'm just going to get cracking on. I'm going to take you guys with me, do some time lapses, and then I'll show you what I get rid of. Hopefully quite a lot, because it's built up so much and I don't wear half the stuff. Okay, this is the main problem area. This is just where my jumpers live. But actually that's not all my jumpers. I also have about 3 or 4, no, actually I think just 2 boxes, plastic boxes under the bed, also full of jumpers. So let's start and just get all the jumpers out and have a look through them, maybe try a few on and decide what I want to keep and what I do not wear ever, which is most of it. I think I'm going to regret getting these all out. Okay, I think that's all my jumpers. I probably still have more. Look at all that. I didn't even know I had half of them. So the 3 boxes were under the bed. These ones are my makes. These are fleecies, which I know I have another one. These are sort of nicer jumpers that I do wear often that I got from holiday. This is all my own stuff, so Evie Designs UK. This is sort of like basic knits that I bought. Work, Christmas, newer items that I really like. And then yeah, just all pretty much knitted jumpers and these ones. And this one's just sweaters and old hoodies and stuff. I think my problem's going to be that I do like everything, it's just that I don't wear it. So I'm going to have to be like, right, are you going to wear it? No, but I like it. Get rid of it then. And that's really hard. I'm not a hoarder, but I am a hoarder. I just don't like throwing stuff away. Even though I like donate it, whatever, I still think, oh, one day I could want to wear that. But most of this stuff I haven't looked in over a year. Looked at in over a year. Okay, I think the easiest thing is gonna be to try all the jumpers on, see how I feel, and I only really want to wear stuff that makes me feel good. So, time lapse, and I'm gonna show you guys all of them. I like this one too. This isn't going well. Wow, it's going too well. I like everything. So I'm not saying no to many. There's a few, but a lot of them I want to keep because I like them. Maybe there's 2 more boxes that I haven't touched for about a year. Well, one of them I have actually. The other box I haven't touched for a year. So let's throw that away. Yeah, I think we might have to. Okay, now on to my own printed items. Don't really drink, so get rid. Absolutely love this one. Keeping this one for my whole life until I'm like 99 and still wearing this. It's one of my favourites. Okay, I have to keep this one as well. This is classic Halloween. It glows in the dark. Can you see? You can't see. I'll show you somehow. No. This one I absolutely love. It is from Sex Education. Oh, wrong sleeve. I did all the detail down the sleeve as well. So keeping this one for sure. This one's really cute. Love the colour and the patterns. This one matches my grandpa's, so it says gazillions because we always say love you gazillions. So yeah, we got matching jumpers. I'm not sure about this one. I do really like it, but looking at it in the viewfinder, there's a lot of white. I thought it was a bit more patterned, so I think get rid of this one. I want to keep it, but I don't wear it. Maybe. See how I feel, see how much space we've got, and if we've got space we'll keep this one. Again, absolutely love this one. This one is like Halloween vibes, and it is one that I wear quite a lot. So, keep. I love this one so much because it was one of the first ones I ever printed. So I won't be getting rid of it, but I might box it up and pop it in the loft because I don't think I'm going to wear it. Why is the lighting gone pink? There we go. Yeah, so I think box this one up, keep it, and then when I'm older I can look at it and reminisce. This is another one that I like, is one of my really earliest prints, and I don't know, I'm never getting rid of it. It's one of my favourite things, but I don't wear it. So I think I'll box this one up as well. I won't bother putting this one on because it's exactly the same as the monkey one, but it's this little dinosaur and he's so old, he's all faded now. So I'm going to box that one up as well because I'm keeping him. I literally forgot I owned this one. Why don't I wear this? This is so cool. This is classic. This is one of my main designs from EB Designs UK. And I love it so much. And I just, yeah, keep. Need to put this to the front of my wardrobe so I'll wear it more because I forgot it exists. Again, forgot this one exists. Really love it. Don't know if I'll wear it, so I'll either box it up or I'll keep it in my cupboard. I think I might box it up. Again, I forgot I even had this. This is a classic. I need to bring these to the front of my cupboard because I love wearing these. They're so soft as well, like really high quality, if I do say so myself. And yeah, I'm all about that life. Keep, put to the front of the cupboard, and try and remember to wear it more. This one I wear quite often actually, and it means a lot because this is like my graduation jumper. That was from when I was at film college, and we all have one with our names on and everything, and I did them for us, and I'm obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. So I'm never getting rid of this one, and I wear it quite often anyway. Plus it's huge, so whenever you want like a massive jumper and sweats, this is the one. Plus the colour, look at the colour. Again, forgot I have this one. Pretty cute. I'd like it to be more colourful, less white, but I think it is cute. Yeah, it's a bit patchy. I don't know, I might see if one of my friends wants it maybe. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is I've got these 3 boxes. So I think I'm gonna put knits in one, so not my crochet stuff, just like bought knits. Probably hoodies in another one, and fleeces. I don't know, I'm gonna split them into like what would make sense, and then I'm gonna see If I don't have room in these 3, then I need to get rid of more. There we go, sweaters complete. Next stop, knits. And that's supposedly all my knitted items somehow. I feel like I'm missing something. And now I've got hoodies and also fleeces. Okay, there we have it. So this is the throwaway pile. This is my sweaters. This is my knits that I haven't made. This is my Christmas box because I'm very festive. And then I've got my fleeces, hoodies, and then my makes here, and they're gonna go in that cupboard. There we go, so there's my hoodies and my fleeces. And this is all my crochet makes, well, wearable crochet makes. So I've got my hats at the front, a little top, and then my jumpers and cardigans at the back. So I think that was pretty successful. I didn't get rid of as much as I wanted to, but the fact that I kept to those little boxes I think is really good, and I think that's quite helpful. Does the job. So for me, those little tubs sustained me enough. I have enough clothes, that's for sure. And also they're really easy to see because they're nice and neat, and it just frees up my wardrobe for all of my own makes, which I'm going to be focusing on this year. So I think this might be a running theme this year. I need to sort out all of my trousers, skirts and jeans next. So hang around for that. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to do the thumbs up, or is it called liking? I don't know. Subscribe and share it with a friend if you think they might be interested. So I will see you guys in my next video that is going to be, again, more cleaning.